is Gamlat Ranjan. I'm a New York State Vehicle Inspector. My job is to check cars inside, outside, engines. So suddenly I had problem was lifting anything, raising my hand, moving my hand here and there. So actually now I'm just showing you something like I couldn't touch my left shoulder and I couldn't raise my hand, but now I'm 100% okay. So I would like anybody who is coming here to tell that this is the right place to come, and they are very professional and I accept your this is a dynamic physical therapy place, 164 Hillside Avenue. One of my doctor recommended me to come here, so I came. Now it is only I think 2-3 weeks. In 7 or 8 treatment, I'm 100% okay.